वेलकम बैक। शामक डावर से बातें हो रही हैं कि भाई ये बहुत सी चीज़ें करते हैं, बहुत अच्छी करते हैं, बहुत सी जो नहीं करते हैं वो क्यों नहीं करते हैं। लेकिन हम एक काम करते हैं, पहले शुरुआत से बात करते हैं कि भाई जहाँ से इब्तिदा हुई थी, where you started off. Let's see a few flashes of that and then we come back to talking to you. Here we are.
School.
Welcome to the school, Shamak. I can imagine the expression on your face when you see me standing in front of school. But let's take a walk around. This is your 9th standard classroom. I wonder if you remember it. It's done up a little bit. And the incident I remember, of course, is with Miss Halagua, which I don't think we can narrate on TV, but I'm sure you know what I'm talking about, and it happened, I think, in the middle row out there. What I can remember the most is your Air India blue bag that you used to have that never shut, and it had no handle, I think, so you had to hold it at the side always, and you always had it up, and you ate those omelette sandwiches, which you call that poda pav or whatever it was.
In school, कुछ स्टेज वेज पे काम किया था आपने? प्ले में कभी काम किया था?
My first school play, I played the role of a dog called Toto. So all I had to do in the whole show was that's all I had to do. That was
Sound
it.
bites. Talk
That
about
was it.
sound bites.
That was all it was.
Let me show you that. There's some sound we have got from you. Let's see the picture. Big break, Shamak. And we won't even ask you to describe what she was talking
was
about.
something.
And what we'll do is, since I don't want to get into what happened with Mrs. Who was that? Haligua.
Yeah.
Okay. Since she said, we'll call somebody who will talk to us about so many good and terrific things
my
that you
God.
did. Please come in.
Oh my God. Naheed. Wow. Oh my God, I don't believe
Hi,
it.
Naheed.
Hello.
Thank you for coming. Please
Naheed,
come
you
here.
come
Arey,
here,
don't
sit.
run away. You are a link to the past of Mr. Shamak Davar. Nice to have you on the show. Naheed, you know Shamak for a long time.
Many years.
Many years. And you know lots of things about Shamak जो हमको नहीं पता. Correct? तो हमको बताइए कि शामक को जब से आप जानती थी और जब शामक इतने या इतने थे और ऑमलेट पाव का शौक रखते थे तब ये क्या-क्या करते थे?
बहुत करते थे. But
You can speak
he
English, don't
had
worry.
this he had this strange control on people, animals and birds. The reason I'm
That
saying
leaves
this,
out only the vegetables.
I think so. We had an African grey parrot who was the most staid, seedha sadha bird you can imagine. But the doorbell would ring, Shamak would enter, and this bird would go mad. Mad means really, fluff up his feathers and dance and sing, and then Shamak and he would exchange long kisses, the parrot with his black tongue. We used to feel quite repulsed by it, but Shamak loved this bird.
But was he like a very mischievous young boy?
Yes, he was. My husband also played a lot of building pranks with Shamak in Paradise Apartments, and some of those I don't think I can relate.
Shamak, there is a lot about you that cannot be told in public. मतलब ये काफी मतलब there is something else also that Shamak may not want to say in public today, but I want the person to come and say it. Let the person come. आइए.
Oh my God, I don't believe this.
Hi, Richard. Nice to have you with us. Where would you like to stand?
that
Right
surprised
next to
me.
Shamak?
Shall I shift?
Here.
Okay, you stand right next to him. Oh, would you like to
Let me
stand?
just-
Tell us all about Shamak. We know that Shamak had a huge soft spot for you.
Well, I did for him, yeah.
Oh, you
He
did too,
started
huh?
me off in my dancing
Okay,
career.
okay.
Shamak used to sit on the, we used to have a building with a tank, water tank, and all the kids would play at the bottom, and Shamak would sit right on the tank with a Coca-Cola bottle, empty, and he would be Billy Joel, sing the night away while all us kids were playing, and we all thought, what is he doing? Little did did we know that this boy would become the success that he did? Yeah.
Were you like a person who was seeking attention all the time?
Yeah. Of course I was. I was all that. You know, I wanted to be a star. I was a legend in my living room. I was this huge, I don't know, I thought of myself as larger than life.
Growth is stage by stage. Like you said, it started in the drawing room, then it became the building parameters,
You're right, yeah.
then it became the nightclub, and then it became out to the public. So he's had a nice...
Slow.
Yeah, and he's experienced celebrity in a slow growth, which
लेकिन
is why he's
लेकिन बढ़ता ही
sustained.
चला गया, बढ़ता ही चला गया.